In this video, we will learn how to integrate by parts, taught through the story of up. Integration by parts is used when integrating the product of two functions. For example, when integrating x squared sine x, x ln x, and ln x cosine x. There are two methods to solving these equations, the formula method and the tabular method. But first, you must find u and dv. One way to do this is remember the acronym LITE. L for logarithmic, I for inverse trig, A for algebra, T for trig, and E for exponential. Once u is found, finding dv is easy. It is whatever function is left of. Both these methods can be described through the story of up. In Up, Carl planned to go to Paradise Falls when he was young with his wife. However, she died and he was not able to go. He decides to go with a boy named Russell. They do not get along well at first, but as they go on the adventure, Carl starts to act younger and they put aside their differences. They work together to get back home, and Carl gets his senior citizen badge, which signifies his growing up. This can be connected to calculus and integration by parts. In the formula method, u is Russell, and dv is Carl. When a character is derived, he's getting older and maturing. When a character is integrated, they are striving to be younger. So in the case of the formula method, it is like the beginning of Up. Carl and Russell don't get along, so you can't integrate them. When they go on their balloon adventure together, Carl, who is dv, becomes more like his younger self and is integrated. As their adventure continues, they settle their differences, and Russell, which is u, gets a senior citizenship badge and matures, which is derived. Our first example is using the formula method to solve x squared sine x. Our u is x squared, du is 2x, and our dv is sine x, and v is negative cosine x. Now we use the formula uv minus integration of v du and plug in the variables. The result is our antiderivative of x squared sine x. Integration by parts can also be taught using the tabular method. To use the tabular method, you split u, which is Russell, and dv, which is Carl, into two columns. Russell is derived because he is trying to get his badge and mature, while Carl is integrated because he is trying to keep his promise to his wife. Multiply the diagonal boxes, which signify the events they experience on their journey. Both good and bad things happen, and this is why the boxes alternate between positive and negative. Our next example uses the tabular method to integrate x squared sine x. Put u and dv in the table where u equals x squared and dv equals sine x. Derive the left column, which is the u, and integrate the right column, which is the dv. Continue until u cannot be derived anymore, then multiply the diagonal rows alternating between positive and negative. The last number is multiplied and integrated, which equals the plus c. The result is the antiderivative. This is the end of our integration by parts video. Thanks for watching.